exploring the phrase, grilling outdoors, in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to dive into a fun and common phrase in English, grilling outdoors. Whether you're a beginner or looking to expand your vocabulary, this video will explore the meaning, usage, and context of this phrase. So, let's get started. Grilling outdoors is a phrase that combines two words, grilling and outdoors. Let's break them down. Grilling. This word refers to a method of cooking that involves direct heat. Imagine food like steaks, vegetables, or fish being cooked over a flame or hot surface. It's a popular cooking style, especially in social gatherings. Outdoors. This part of the phrase signifies that the activity is happening outside, not inside a building. It could be in a backyard, a park, or anywhere under the open sky. So, when we say grilling outdoors, we are talking about the activity of cooking food over a grill while being outside. The phrase, grilling outdoors, is especially popular in cultures where outdoor activities and barbecues are common. In many English-speaking countries, grilling outdoors is not just about cooking. It's a social event, often associated with gatherings, celebrations, or casual get-togethers. Here are some examples of how it might be used in a sentence. We're planning to grill outdoors this weekend for my birthday. Can you bring the sausages? We're grilling outdoors at John's place. Notice how the phrase is often associated with a sense of community and enjoyment. To remember this phrase, associate it with pleasant outdoor activities. Here are some tips. Visualize a group of friends having a barbecue in a garden. Think of your favorite grilled food and imagine eating it outside. Practice using the phrase in sentences about planning a picnic or a gathering. That's all for today's lesson on grilling outdoors. We hope this video helps you understand and use this phrase confidently in your English conversations. Remember, language learning is all about practice, so try using this phrase next time you talk about cooking or outdoor activities. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.